Hey guys, I got something else to show you right now about the head bolts coming off. Okay, just going to show you how it's actually done. When we put the electrodes in, when they're heated up, and we change them over. Yeah, they're all basically just turned by hand after that. Just the heat expands, right? Okay, guys, I'll be back. Hope you enjoy and watch till the end, and share, repost, comment, and hit the like button. That's what I was told to say. Go ahead. Cool, there you go. Say hello, peeps. That's my peeps, Gord. That's Mr. Gord Davis. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. And then we'll be getting the gear on it to lift the heads after that. Just double check and make sure everything's disconnected. And that's what me and Mr. Davis is doing today.